Today we have an AirPods MAX right in this box. So we're gonna find the tab, follow the arrow basically, and there we go. So we got the seal off, and this is the box. Just like most Apple products, we're gonna just lift it, and there we go. Wow. So this is the inside of the box. As you can see, we have the headphones right like this, and the shell. So it's kind of heavy actually. It's heavier than I thought. But let's see what else is in here. We also got the envelope, just like usual with other stuff. A bunch of instruction and stuff. I don't see any stickers or anything like that. And we also have a charger, lightning to USB-C. And that's about it in the packaging. And this is the actual headphone. We've got mesh on top. It's pretty stretchy, so it'll probably be good for all kinds of people. So the case here is magnetic, which is nice. Just like AirPods Pro, you're gonna have to basically put it back in this thing to make sure it's charging and all that. But we're gonna take the headphone out here and take these protective stuff out. So something to notice here is the whole material is, you know, pretty much Apple stuff. We got the dial, it's just like the watch dial, same thing, but a little bigger. We got a button here, it's kind of like the same button on the watch as well. And then we got the speaker, you know, it's kind of like a mix of a bunch of products, Apple products. And then this is the bottom where you charge, lightning port, just like the phone one. Everything is kind of like, you know, the whole Apple vibe in here. So you have R and L inside to indicate which one. Wow, I can barely hear myself. Crazy. But yeah, to indicate which one to wear. And as you can see, it's pretty flexible. You know, you can't go crazy on it. And you can also, like, you know, fold it this way or anything like that. This is the most folding this is ever gonna get. And this is the case. So the case is pretty good quality, but I just fear it would get marks and stuff over time. But this is designed by Apple and everything. It's just like the phone cases that they have. So this is how you put the headphone in, and you just lock it up just like that, right? So yeah, this is not a, you know, case where the headphone charges and stuff like that, because, you know, the headphones are pretty big. We don't need any of that. This is just for storage, so you don't get it dirty or break it, lose it or anything like that. Just for storage purposes. You have a nice bag here, but you know, you're still gonna be charging right through the lightning port on the headphone itself. And this is, you know, it's folded in. You could carry it just like this, you know, pretty nice. Nothing too crazy, nothing super convenient either. So that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.